Your tone in the opening 3 to 7 seconds of that cold call is incredibly important. Hi, guys, welcome back to day 5 of 119 days of cold calling training. My name is Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK as well as the USA and serving clients worldwide. And today we're here to talk about your opening tone. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link below to get the additional 17 strategies not shared in this training. So fundamentally, if you watched training number 4, you would have heard me speak about hi versus hey versus hello, okay? And the differences in tone with the formal to friendly and the implications that has. So I want to talk about then building upon that your opening tone, okay? So when you actually open in the first 3 to 7 seconds, okay, it's probably even 3 seconds. Yeah, it's probably the first 3 seconds. So we'll call it 3 to 5, okay, just because I'm being generous. Your opening tone counts for a lot. I mean, listen to the way that I'm communicating to you right now. Listen to the energy and the highs and the lows, and really thinking about having that ability to have a powerful opening tone, okay? Now, there's different approaches and manners and theories and philosophies on this in terms of the types of tones that you can take. So we'll go on to really talk about each of the tones, but I want you to raise your level of awareness when it comes to tone, okay? So if we go back again to the last slide and we talk about, bear with me, and we talk about the high versus the haze versus the hellos, and we think about what that means in terms of opening tones, you've got, hi, is Richard around? Is Richard there? Hi, is Richard there? Hey, is Richard there? Hi, 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 hi. Hey, do you see already that there's, of course, other things that are going on there, but your ability to play with your opening tone can set the tone, okay? It sets the tone for the way that you're going to bring yourself to the call. And that has massive implications to how people perceive you, okay? How people perceive you. And that's really super important when it comes to perception, okay? So perception is huge, and that's going to be critical with the way that you then navigate your tone. And the crazy thing is if you listen back to many cold calls from many different people, it's really powerful to find a tone or find your tone, okay? And your tone probably is just the way that you speak, okay? So it's, hey, it's Richard here. How you doing? Hi there, it's Deepak speaking. Hi there, it's George speaking. Hi there, it's Frank. But having the ability to ultimately vary it depending upon what industry you're in, okay, is going to make a big difference, because the way that you talk to, for example, a lawyer is going to be different to the way that you talk to a florist, okay, and that's going to be different to the way that you talk to someone in media, maybe, okay. So there's going to be key differences with it, with your tone. Hi there, Deepak speaking. Hi, it's Deepak. Hey, it's Deepak. Do you see the subtle, and they are subtle, but they are differences in variation. Let's try that again. Hi there, Deepak speaking. Hey, it's Deepak. Hey, it's Deepak speaking. Do you see the variations that we've gone there? This one probably is the most formal. This one is the most casual, and then this one probably sits somewhere in the middle, okay? And using or understanding the differences in industry really can then dictate your opening tone, okay? Or at least have an influence upon the way that you open with your highs and your hays and your hellos, okay? Because hi, Deepak speaking. Hi, it's Deepak here. You shouldn't really be using exactly the same tone for these three industries, okay? And maybe to make this more extreme, maybe law, media, law, florist, and let's say like a builder as an example, okay? So with a builder, let me just find this. It's just terrible. Anyway, with the builder, you see what I mean. Hello, Steve. Hi there, Deepak speaking. Hey, it's Deepak. Hello, it's Deepak. Let's try them all with exactly the same word. Hello, Deepak speaking. Hello, it's Deepak here. Hello, it's Deepak here. Do you see how, I'm dropping the H here, and this one's a bit more convivial, and this one is very, very formal. So beginning to think about how you adjust your opening tone depending upon who you're speaking to, and even having the ability to ultimately play with your opening tone is going to be absolutely important. So please, 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 please do just raise your level of awareness for variations when it comes to your actual opening tone when placing cold calls.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.